What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can reset or change your Pocket Option password. So let's get started. Also, if you guys would like to create a new account with Pocket Option, you can use my referral link from the description below, and by using that link, once you create your account and make your first deposit, you will get $50 credited to your account. And now let's continue. So first off, to reset your password, you would need to log out of your Pocket Option account. So just click on this logout button right here in the bottom left corner. Now, once you click on that, you will be logged out of your account. So here on the right hand side, select the login option right here. And if you take a closer look on the login screen, you would be able to see password recovery option. So just go ahead and click on that. And right here in this email field, you would need to input the email of your Pocket Option account so you can reset your Pocket Option password. So just go ahead and input the email right here, and then you can click I'm not a robot and complete this CAPTCHA. Once you inputted your email and completed the CAPTCHA, you can click restore right here. Now you will just need to check your email so you can continue with your password recovery or resetting your password. Now, once you're in your email account, this is the email that you're looking for. So it should be titled Password Recovery from Pocket Option. Now to continue with resetting your password, just click the Reset Your Password button in the email that you just received. Now, once you click on that, a new email will be sent onto your email address. So you have reset your password successfully. Please check your email to find the new password. So this screen is pretty similar to this one, but if you take a look at the text, you will see that they're different. Now just go ahead and open your email again. And this is the email that we're looking for. So it's titled Your New Password from the same email address as before. Now here you will be able to see your new password. So you can just copy it and then use it to log in into your Pocket Option account. So let's go ahead and do that. Now once you have your new password, again select the login option, input the email of your account of course, and your password right here. Now once you did that, go ahead and click login. And here we are, we're back on our trading account. But essentially guys, that's how you can reset your Pocket Option password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.